Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here diol compound is given with different conformation PQRS. P1 diols are in Gauche form, Q1 in anti form, and R again in Gauche form. Yes, again in the Gauche. Here all are differ in the syn and anti position. Among the four, you have to find which one is meso compound here. If you know the simple fact, meso means superimposed mirror image, mirror planes inside. So you have to find any mirror plane inside or not. For that you have to rotate the molecule and identify it. Meso compounds are optically inactive. That's why it got importance. Here full anti-groups form meso. Let us analyze the fact here. Here the P1 has all anti, meaning methyl opposite to methyl, OH opposite to OH, and hydrogen opposite to hydrogen. So anti form. Just rotate 180 degree, bring complete eclipse form one behind another. Then draw to picture. You might see the meso form. Dotted line indicate the mirror plane inside. Mirror plane reflect both the compounds. You have same compound. So P is meso here. Here the concept you outline here is full anti-compounds form the meso form and only anti-groups are forming exact meso architecture. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.